Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Nasional Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisim citayo hak sisa janya Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedan bunjait kirukom hikai hak liang ke tem keput bat karwai kesiau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasih instruments bat kasih vocal kikena akibat news nem senang kila banwan pentebit hak neg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tagi larang baru banwan pentebit hak neg music school. Namar ka jing persia nagliang jong ipai ba shnong ki bodan East Giant Hills District halor ka jing thmu jong ka company Topsam lane ka company penmi deu bilan banang peniar susu ya ka jing trikam jong kene company ha ka district ki pai ba jong ki kat to kene television ki bakan thup ek shnong wa ejer ka shnong thang sky ka shnong narpu bat kiwi kilemi pai ba ban persia halor ka jing thmu jong ka company mat penhe ya ka jing trikam hapo ka district hak bahagian kesngi kata hak arpo sautrik unailar arjar arpolai bagi company kala penlong ya ke public hearing kipai ba kelmi iban persya ada ke penjulor lot ya ke jaka penlong jingilang bat penprahi pom ya kitiar gitar ki badan ke jaka penlong jilang harin ngetepat nagliang cuki bor peniat jeng ke company kala penlong pat ya ke jingilang sya ka wei per ke jaka ke bari ke hall jong ke company badah bagi pajba kila temu ban lektur biang sa sya ke jaka ki bor pulit kala khang persya ya kita ki pajba bat kalami ke jingya kawang mau bat ke jingya syok ke bamar kaliang hapa dang ki pulit bat ki pajba nagaliang jogi bor pulit kimpan se ban program dak ler pensat khamat ban pen pra yaw pajba bolmi ban yakhi kaladan ke jing mensau jong khandai ngot ki pulit bat ka to kane ki ru pajba i kong amper lang do ibdei menteri jong sarkar ibdp katanat kamrep kamriang haba keren halor kane ki jingjai long bakalong pasongsi bak jing ki mi bet ki jing dunong bat ki jing mensau bat nagaliang jong sarkar kan sasim ya kilat kelenti ban penbet halor kane ki jingjah.
There was a clash in East Giant Hills in the premises of Topsem, the Meghalaya Cement Limited, and a hearing was conducted in that location for an extension of the plant of Topsem. So due procedures were followed and the DC was initiating this hearing, and the Pollution Control Board had gone to the location to conduct this hearing. So all due procedure apparently was in position, and hence the hearing was scheduled. But unfortunately, there was a conflict where protesters came to the location for disrupting the entire hearing procedures. And for the initial part of the hearing, when it was conducted, everything was under control, but when it went out of hand, they shifted this hearing location also to another location because there were women and children also around. But when a certain section of the crowd became violent, they resorted to vandalizing. They were attempting to douse fire on the tent that was set up, and then there was attack, there was unruly behaviors, stone pelting and other things. So to put that under control, a tear gas firing was ordered. But however, injuries were mostly on the part of the police personnel. About 9 police personnel were injured moderately by stone pelting and aggressive behavior of a few rowdy people who came in the name of protesting, and 1 person has been detained, but situation is under control and they were able to conclude the hearing subsequently.
Ma'am, in fact,
obviously have to have a lathi charge because of the unruly behavior of certain sections of those that came to the hearing.
And what about in general?
Police personnel, and 1 person has been detained. Any further report that needs to be given, we will get the reports from the district, the DC there. We will ask for a proper report from the SP, and we will share information at the appropriate time when that information reaches us.
Will the government,
as of now, because let us get the reports from the DC, let them be summoned by the Chief Secretary. We are discussing this matter at the government level, and fact of the matter remains that after that hearing continued and was concluded. So
but
we need before we jump to any conclusion.
by
Honorable Chief Minister has just recently, just now been briefed. We will get on the job. We've just been briefed on this matter.
What is the cause of the public hearing?
And for me to comment any further, I would need proper information that is now being collected from the respective districts.